Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is K and you're welcome to my kitchen. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you guys. Okay, so I don't really know. I pray that I will post this thing before the year runs out. So today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make emergency jollof rice. I also call it concoction rice. Okay, so it doesn't require too much formalities to make this and it should be done. Okay, so guys, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and then subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you miss any of the videos guys will find us something new. And also don't forget to like it if you find this video useful. Okay, so also leave me a comment at the comment section if you have any question to say. So okay guys, keep watching. And guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this concoction rice or jollof rice. So here is my carrots. I've chopped them. You can see carrots, green beans, onion. I actually use white onions, and white onion rather is actually like this. It comes like this, and you can see I cut it into half. You can use a regular onion if you don't have this, so that's no problem. And here is my stock and my smoked fish. I've already washed and deboned it. Okay, then I have my dry onion. Actually blended this. It's always like this. It always comes like this, but I just to blend it this way. So these are like it. This is my pepper. The pepper I'm going to be using. This is actually only pepper and onion. So that's what I use. There is no tomato in this one. So if you want to add tomatoes, it's up to you. You can still add. And here's my groundnut oil. Yes, and I'm using 6 tablespoons. Okay, so this 6 tablespoons of groundnut oil. And I have my stock cube here. That's chicken stock cube. I'm using cubes. And guys, this is the final look of my emergency jollof rice. It's so nice. Like, I just love this. In fact, I love this a lot. Let me grab a spoon and say I can't wait to start eating, man. Wow. still very hot. So don't forget to like this video if you find this video interesting, and also share with family and friends. Keep sharing them. And if you are watching and you're not subscribed also, please do so on your way